This is a brief tutorial on how to figure out your offspring genotypes and then your phenotypes, obviously. Before you do this, you should have all of the traits filled in for your fathers and all the traits filled in for your mother. So all the genotypes and phenotypes for both father and mother should be filled in before you start figuring out your offspring's genotypes and phenotypes. All right, so here we go. I'm going to just do tongue roll as an example. So if the trait is homozygous, so for example, dad is homozygous recessive in this situation, we know that dad is going to send one of these two little r's. So it's not really a big surprise that the offspring is going to get at least one little r, right? Because dad's sending one. So I don't need to do anything special there. Dad has to send one of these two, so we know dad is sending a small r. But what about mom? Mom is heterozygous, which makes her a tongue roller. So is mom going to send the dominant big R or the recessive little r? Well, we're going to use this link down here for a digital coin flip to figure that out. Okay, so we're going to open that up and it looks something like this. So what you're going to do in the settings portion is you're simply going to write in here for heads, I wrote down tongue roller, which we know would be big R. And for tails, I wrote down non-tongue roller, which we know would be the recessive little r. And then I'm going to flip it. Ready? All right, so it looks like our offspring is going to get the tongue roller allele, and the tongue roller allele is a big R. All right, so now from this, I know that our offspring is heterozygous, so that would make them a tongue roller. All right, so that's how you do all the traits. If it is already a homozygous trait, it automatically just sends one of them over. If it is a heterozygous trait like mom was, you use the digital coin flip and figure out which one of the two alleles, the dominant or recessive, would go to the offspring. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher.